Am I the only one that didn't know what that whirring sound is after a plane lands? Let's find out together. Like and subscribe, because your plane has more secrets than you think. That whirring sound? It's not the engine. It's not the brakes. It's often the hydraulic systems kicking it. In some planes it's the auxiliary power unit, a mini engine in the tail, or the electric pumps powering flight controls and brakes after landing. Your plane is switching from main engines to backup systems. It's like a cool-down lap after a long race, keeping the aircraft powered and controllable while it taxis. Subscribe for facts that make your brain take off. This is BrainSnaps.